By Googling the name AdoptOpenJDK, you can easily find the website. You want to select JDK 11 and click the blue button, latest release. It will download the right one for your system. So let's go over Windows installation. After installing in your Windows system, go to Program Files and then go to AdoptOpenJDK. So now we want to add this as our Java home in Control Panel. Now, why do we need to do that? We need to tell Java this is where the installation folder is. So go to your environmental variable. Now, I have Java home already. I will just copy my installation path and paste it as my Java home. If you don't have that variable, you can create it. There's a button called New. Next, I want to add the path to the bin folder. So copy that, add it to your environmental variables. To check if you have installed Java, type java-version. It should show you AdoptOpenJDK. Now for Mac installation, after downloading your PKG file, follow the instructions. Of course, I agree. I have one disk, so I don't think there's any other option. If you wish to change your installation location, you can at this point, but I'm okay with where it is. So I can install it. And that's it. So take note of your installation folder because that is very important. So let's check the installation folder. It's in Library, Java, Java Virtual Machines. I have AdoptOpenJDK 11 and we have Contents and Home. At this point, I want to click on Home. And I want to add Home as my Java home. Just like we did in Windows. I want to tell this system that this is where Java is installed. So you say export Java home is equal to, then paste the path to the home. The next is to add the path to the bin. So copy that. I say export path is equal to paste the path to the bin, colon, the $ path. So check that you have Java installed. And there we have it. Now we are ready to rumble.